and doing studies well. And students, you have spent your holidays very well. Okay students, now we have done already the chapter number 1st, 2nd and 4th. Now we will do here the chapter number 3, and this is the exponent and radicals. Exponent and radicals. This topic name is exponent and radicals. Students, as you have already done the chapter of powers. Powers chapter you have done already. So students, these powers are called as the exponents. Okay students, and this is the radicals. Radicals, for radicals, if the power is in the fraction form, if the power is in the fraction form, then this power is called as the radicals. Is this clear students? What is the difference between the exponents and the radicals? Exponents are the powers as the natural numbers or integers, but the power is, if the power is in the fraction form, then this power is called as the radicals and this is called as the exponents. Is this clear? Now we will discuss here some points here. We are calling here the zero exponent. Zero exponent means the power is 0. Any number, any rational number, that is a, whose power is 0, it means that is the zero exponent. The power of any number is 0. This is called as the a to the power 0 and its value is always equals to 1. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the negative integral exponent. It's the very important question here. Students, I will give you the question. मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ कि आप ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि a to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Why? How it comes possible कि something to the power 0 is 1. Okay students, it's in your mind and you will talk to about this question at WhatsApp only. Okay students. Now there is the negative integral exponent. Negative integral exponent means the power is negative integer. This is the a to the power minus n. N is any positive integer. N is any positive integer. Then a to the power minus n is always equals to 1 upon a to the power n. Is this clear students? Because this is the reciprocal of this number. So it's a to the power minus n is equals to 1 upon a to the power n. If we do the reciprocal of this number, then it will becomes s. Is this clear students? It will be, these are used in the all questions. So you have to remember that a to the power 0 is equals to 1. This is the remembering point. A to the power minus n is equals to 1 upon a to the power n. A is any rational number, and there is another laws of exponents are there. In the laws of exponents, these are the most important parts, and you have already done in the powers chapters. And now we will do here these revision. So if a to the power m into a to the power n, base is same and the powers, if base is same, then the powers are adding. Okay, this is a to the power m, a to the power n, and this is multiplying here. If a to the power m plus n. Is this clear? We have already done about these examples in the 7th class. So students, we are doing here directly a to the power into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. It's the second question, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. This is the reciprocal, and it will get here, if this is in the division, then it will become as a to the power minus n. 1 upon a to the power n, this is equals to a to the power minus n. It means this is becomes here, if this wants to become here, this is multiplied. A to the power n into 1 upon a to the power n. It will become as, this is written as, and this is written as a to the power minus n. Now, it's the form of this a to the power m into a to the power n or minus n, a to the power m minus n, Is this clear, students? This is minus n and this is plus n here. So it will become f. Okay, students, you will remind that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Is this clear? And here a is always non-zero because this is a rational form. This must be in the rational form. This is always a non-zero rational number a. Now third point is a to the power m to the power n. Power to the power to the power. These are multiplying together. A to the power m to the power n. It means powers are multiplying here. M into n. And same, if n is in the inside and m is outside, then also this is equals to the a to the power m into n. Because this is the commutative property, m into n or n into m. Both are equal here. Okay, students. Now we will go to the fourth part, a into b to the power n. It means these are multiplying in the both numbers, a to the power n and b to the power n. The power is shared to both the numbers, a to the power n into b to the power n. And there is no sign, it means there is multiplying and there is also the multiplying here. This is clear, students? Now, this is the dividing here, a divided by b to the power n. It means we have to share this power in the both the numbers, a to the power n divided by b to the power n, where b is non-zero number. Okay, students? Now, we will do here the next, let's see there, the rational numbers as exponents. Now students, there are rational numbers as exponents. So students, there is, if exponent is taken as a rational number, how do we represent this form? The exponents are rational numbers. Exponent, a is any rational number and their exponent is also a rational number, then what will we do here? This is the rational number. A to the power, if the numerator, there is a numerator is taken as the power of a, that rational number, and its next denominator is taken as the radical power. Is this clear, students? This is the radical power here. This is 1 by n. It's written as 1 by n is written as this. Because students, we are seeing here that we have already done the square root. Square root of x is 2, 3, 4 as it is. This is the power of 1 by 2. It means this is the second power of 2. This is the second power of 2. And there is 3. If this is cube root, we have done already. The cube root questions we have already done. So its sign is this. We have already known about this, and it's written as 27 to the power 1 by 3, and this is the third root of 27. Third root of 27 is 9, 3. Yes, we have done already this, and same time like this. There are the nth root of any number. Nth root of any number. This is called as the nth. This is nth. This is the second. This is the third, and same doing like this. This is the nth. Nth root of which number? Here is a to the power m. Its m is the numerator here. Is this clear, students? This m is the numerator, a to the power numerator, and its radical power is nth root of a to the power m is the nth is represented as this. All students, you have understood this question. If you have done these questions already, then you will understand these questions very easily. So students, these are called as, this is called as radicand. This is called as radicand, and this completely, it's radical power with radical power. This is called as radical. Is this clear, student? This is called as radical. and this sign is called as the radical sign. It's the nth root. It's as this. This is the nth root, nth radical sign. This is the second radical sign, and n is the index here. This n is called as the index. Index of this radical sign is represented the root of that power, nth root of a to the power m. Is this clear, students? Now we will do here the questions of this type. The first type is expressed in exponential form. We have to represent any number like this. This is the radical, and we have to represent this radical in the exponential form. You will remind this. This is the radical, and if we solve it, this is the exponential form. Both are very, very important things. You have to remember that how do we naming as. This is exponential form. This is naming as exponential form because this is exponent form, and this is radical. This is radical because there is the square root with nth root sign. It's called as radical, and we have to see here. This is the radical, and we have to change it into the exponential form. It means we have to do write it and in the form. हमें इसे इस फॉर्म में लिखना है. That is 5/6, and 5/6 की पावर क्या है यहाँ पर? 8th root. It means its power is 1 divided by 8. This is the 8th root of 5/6. This is the nth root of a to the power m. Now there is expressed as radicals. This is radical form, and we have to change it into the exponential form. And this is exponential form. This is the exponential form, and because there is the exponent, and we have to change it into the radicals. It means radicals means some power, nth power. Is this clear? So students, nth power हम कौन सी लेते हैं? जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है, और न्यूमरेटर हम इसकी पावर एज इट इज रख देते हैं. So for example, 12/19 to the power 3. Numerator power is as well, but the denominator power is nth root. This is n is, here is n. N is the integer where index here, that is index is 5. It's the 5th root of 12/19 to the power 3. Is this clear, students? We will solve this type of questions as like this. Okay. Now we will do here the positive rational numbers as exponents or negative. Now students, you are seeing here the positive rational numbers as exponents. There are the positive rational numbers as exponents, and there is negative rational numbers as exponents. Okay students, you are seeing here the positive rational numbers as exponent. Exponent is positive rational number, and here is negative rational numbers as exponents. This is the negative rational number as exponent. Okay students, so we are doing how to calculate, how to solve the questions of this type. If the rational exponent is positive rational number, if the exponent is positive rational number, we have done already. A to the power numerator and to the power to the nth root. Nth root 1 divided by n. Is this clear? It is written as this. And if we have to solve this, the negative rational number power, then the minus a 1 divided by, because this is the rule here that if a to the power minus n is this equals to a to the power n. So a to the power minus m by n is equals to 1 divided by a to the power n by n. We have done already the rule of laws of exponents. In the first page, we have done these laws of exponents. A to the power minus n is equals to a to the power 1 divided by a to the power n. So students, you are doing here a to the power m by n is equals to a to the power, same doing like this, a to the power m and to the power 1 by n. Nth root of a to the power n. Is this clear? We have some examples here. its next power is 1 by 3. Done. And it is equals to 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. And this the cube root. 1 by 3 power is cube root of this. This is the number this, and its cube root. Cube root is signed as this number. Now, students, we have the property as we have already known, since a to the power m, a into b to the power n is equals to a to the power n into b to the power n. Is this clear, students? Now, we will do here that now, students, there is the number this, and we have to find the cube root of this number. So, students, we have done already the cube root of any number. For cube root, we have to pair a 3 numbers at a time. 3 numbers that are 3 numbers at a time makes 1/8 in the outside. Is this clear? It's the cube root of this and into cube root of this 8 is being, this cube root of this is 8, and this is already written as well as already have written. Now we will solve it as 8 into cube root of 8. Its prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So it will be written as 8, and cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 is taken as 1, 2 in the outside. This is 8 into 2, and that equals to 16. Is this clear, students? Yes. Okay, students, we have done these type of questions doing like this. Clear? Again, 8 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 3, and cube root of 8 into 8 into 8 to the cube root is always equals to 8 into cube root of this, and 8 into cube root of this is equals to 8 into cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 means this will become in the outside 1, 2, and 8 into 2 is 16. Is this clear, students? And generally, cube root of 8 is what? That is 2, because 2 cube is equals to 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. So, its cube root is 2 only. This. Okay, students? Now, there is the negative rational numbers as exponents. Let's see here. Let's see here. Negative rational numbers and as exponent. If this is, then we will solve it first that this. We have already done the property, and then we will solve it as, and then already we have done all these questions about like this. 1 divided by that 1 divided by 4 to the power 3 by 2. It's written as this. Now we will write it. हम यहाँ 4 to the power 3 लिखेंगे and to the power 1 by 2 लिखेंगे. Clear, students? अब हम 1 divided by 4 to the power 3. Yes, 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, and we have to find its square root. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 1 divided by 64 to the power 1 by 2. And square root of 64 is square of any number is 64? Yes. 8 8 the 64. Square of 8. 8 into 8. Square of 8. 8 to the power 2 is equals to 64. And that's equals to 1 divided by, that is 8. 8 8 the 64. It means square root of 64 is 8. Okay, students? Yes. Now we will do the questions here. Now, students, we have to change here. This is in the exponential form. that is worksheet 1 and question 1. Question 1 I have done here. I will do here only 2 questions or 3 questions, and the remaining questions you will do yourself, and after then I will send you the answers of these questions and you will check yourself and then do in the fair notebook. Okay students, so change in the exponential form. This is in the radical, this is the radical here, and we have to change it into the exponential form. Exponential form, it means we have to change it into the exponent. 2 to the power minus 6 to the power 1 by 3. Done. And it's equals to 2 to the power minus 6 divided by 3. Is this clear students? This is minus 6 divided by 3. And if we want to 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and its power is 2 to the power minus 2. It will get the answer here. And now we have to change it in the, this is the 8th part, and we have to change it into the exponential form. Same question is there. It means 15 divided by 341, and we have to the power minus 3, and it will get the power as 1 by 7. This is 1 by 7, and it will written as 15 by 341 to the power minus 3 as the numerator and 7 is the denominator. This will get as the answer. Is this clear students? Now this is the question number 1, and we will do here the question number 2. Let's see. Now students, we have to change it into the radical form. Change in the radicals, and these are in the exponential form because there are the exponents here. So 100 to the power minus 5, it's the numerator, and it will be the power 1 by 6. Is this clear students? And now it will be done here, the power minus 5, and its radical is, index power is 6. Done. And same doing like this, 17 divided by 231 to the power minus 5 and to the power 6. And this will becomes as 1 by 6, and it will be written as 17 by 231, and its power is minus 5 and its radical is 6. Is this clear students? Now we will do here the question. 15 by 21 to the power 2 numerator, and its radical is 5. It will done here. All the questions doing like this. Now there is a question number 3. Now students, there is a question number 3 in a question number 3 part 1. Change into the positive exponents. We have to change this exponent. This is the negative exponent. We have to change it into the positive exponent. Normal, it's the laws of exponent. According to the laws of exponent, it is equals to 1 divided by x to the power 1 by 2. Now it's the positive. Yes, done. Now it's, this is x divided by 2 by 5. It's the positive exponent. Done. Now change it into the this. This is here, and we have to change it into the positive. It will becomes the numerator into x to the power 5 by 6. Becomes as the positive. Now, and this is also written as x7 x to the power 5 by 6. And there is x to the power. Power is multiplying here. Minus 3 into 4. We have done already the laws of exponents. So according to the laws of exponents, these powers are multiplying here. And x to the power 4 minus 3 multiplying 12. And that's equals to 1 by x to the power 12. This is the positive exponent. Okay students, here is the worksheet 1 completed here. You will do it into the fair notebook, and first you will solve in the rough notebook all the remaining questions, and you will check the answers which I have sent in the I will send in the WhatsApp, and then you will write it in the fair notebook. Okay students, bye, have a nice day.